Hello, today we will guide you through how to change username on Tradervue. In this walkthrough, we'll update your username from within your account settings, keeping everything clear and straightforward so you can follow along without missing a beat. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Tradervue dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in as you normally would so you land on the dashboard page. Take a moment to let the page load fully. Layouts can shift slightly depending on your screen size, but the controls you need will be in the same general area. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for a small icon with 3 dots. This is the More menu. On wider screens, you might see it tucked below the main navigation. On smaller windows, you may need to scroll the sidebar or widen your browser a bit to reveal it. If your sidebar is collapsed, expanding it can also make the icon easier to spot. Click the 3 dots to open the additional options panel. A small menu should appear, giving you access to less frequently used controls. From here, choose Settings. Selecting Settings will take you into your account's configuration area, where Profile and Preference options are organized. Inside Settings, click on User Info. This section contains your personal account details, including the field where your current username is displayed. Give the page a second to load so all form fields are active. In the username field, type the new username you want to use. Aim for something simple, memorable, and professional. Many platforms only allow letters, numbers, and underscores, so avoiding spaces and special symbols is a good idea. If Tradervue indicates the name is already taken, try a small variation. Consider how this name will appear on shared reports or public views, and avoid including personal or sensitive information. Consistency with the name you use on other trading tools can make your profile easier to recognize. Once you've entered the new username, click Update to save your changes. After you click, look for a brief confirmation or a success indicator. The change may take a moment to reflect across the site. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait a few seconds and refresh the page. When the update is complete, your new username will be associated with your account wherever it appears in Tradervue. That's all it takes. You navigated to the dashboard, accessed the More menu, opened Settings, selected User Info, entered your new username, and saved the change. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your updated Tradervue profile.